MonsoonSIM is the world-leading gamification and simulation platform for business teaching and learning. MonsoonSIM smoothly integrates 13 configurable business departments to simulate virtually any trading, distribution, e-commerce, manufacturing, and service business. So, how can teachers enhance their business curriculum? Teachers can configure business scenarios based on their curriculum. Let's assume your aim is to teach the basics of business. Teachers can simulate a scenario for students to set up and run their retail business. Teachers decide on the target, say profitability. Students, working in teams, will start operating their businesses. They will buy and sell goods, manage their books, decide on the selling price, replenish stock, and compete to be the best business in the market. By running a simple retail business game, students could easily learn accounting, management, and supply chain in addition to data literacy. In MonsoonSIM, students learn by doing. Teachers could increase the complexity of the game so students can learn more. For example, students can promote their products, deal with staff shortages, manage carbon emissions, and more. In addition to improving business competencies, students will gain valuable working skills. Winning requires teams to collaborate, experiment, set goals, and most importantly, learn from mistakes. You can run MonsoonSIM anytime, anywhere in a typical face-to-face classroom, in a lecture hall, in virtual rooms, or a mix of both. It's never too early to learn business with MonsoonSIM. Just take a look at these primary school students. Currently, over 260 universities or organizations have run MonsoonSIM. Over 1,800 trained MonsoonSIM teachers taught 100,000 students globally. See more on our site. MonsoonSIM aims to revolutionize and advance business teaching and learning globally at every category of learning institution. Reach out to us to join our mission. Thank you.